Let's talk about this conflict of interest UMG has with their VP of Investor Regulations, Megan Durkin. To start, Taylor Swift merchandising sales boosted Universal Music results in Q2 per a July 26, 2023 article that you can see right here. Taylor Swift merchandising sales boost Universal's music results. Now, Megan Durkin is VP Investor Relations at UMG. Her LinkedIn profile shows she started UMG in July 2022 after leaving Credit Suisse. Here's her LinkedIn profile. Now, here's Megan Durkin's bio on Credit Suisse's site. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but just to start, a VP at Credit Suisse covering US media, where she is a senior associate for traditional media and streaming companies. She has been the lead analyst on US movie theaters since 2019 and began covering music labels and talent agencies in 2021. And she has a few other important key points, but we're just going to pay attention to those for right now. Now, according to Wall Street Zen, Durkin's average return stands at an alarming negative 142.7% with a win rate of 22.2%. These figures suggest that Durkin's previous stock recommendations have not yielded positive results for investors whatsoever. Yet Wall Street Zen posted AMC faces uphill battle as analysts cuts price target, citing high debt. Now, on September 1st, 2023, Megan Durkin issued through Credit Suisse an underperforming rating on AMC theaters with a price target of $8. You can see that right here. AMC underperformed, $8 price target. This wasn't just a single website reporting her recommendation. It hit the newswire across several brokerage firms. Now, I want you guys to know that Credit Suisse, of course, had a $1 price target on AMC, and now this is technically an 80-cent price target, so don't get it confused, because after the reverse split, $8 would be around 80 cents. Now, UBS purchased Credit Suisse after Credit Suisse collapsed in March 2023. What is UBS's position in AMC? Well, you can see, as of August 11th, 2023, they own 632,100 shares of AMC. And if you remember, AMC and Universal aren't exactly the best of friends. AMC told Universal it won't license studio movies after CEO's statement on Windows and Trolls World Tour. Then AMC bans Universal films from its theaters over Trolls World Tour. AMC bans Universal films from its theaters. You can see right here in this article following that, posted April 29th of 2020. As Puck recently reported concerning AMC's involvement in putting together Taylor Swift Eras Tour, Universal is not just pissed, but extra pissed. This all leads me to ask, is Universal pissed enough to collude with Credit Suisse, now UBS, to have their VP of Investor Relations, who was previously a lead analyst at Credit Suisse and previously associate director at UBS, issue an underperform on AMC with a price target of $8? In other words, is Universal really the ones pushing the media or colluding against AMC to give it such a low price target? What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Happy Labor Day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your 3-day weekend. We have a lot of stuff to cover with AMC, and I know that was a long intro because that is a big piece of the video that we had to cover with AMC, but make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an update. This is going to be crucial to start the week with the AMC updates that we have, and everything in this video is strictly AMC. I'm not talking about GameStop. I'm not talking about the SPY. If you do want to see what's happening with GameStop and the earnings coming up this week, I posted a video yesterday that says watch before Tuesday. A lot of AMC stuff, a lot of GameStop stuff before GameStop earnings plays out this week, so make sure to go watch that right when you finish this video. All I ask you guys to do in return, of course, before we finish off this video, is please hit the like button. It's free. It helps me out. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. And still to this very day, they say that Adam Aron is trying to bankrupt the company because he is in bed with his buddies at Apollo. Dave Murphy says, I think not. Not now. Not ever. Proof? Well, Taylor Swift and this sometimes required Aron to clash with his powerful Wall Street allies, including his friends at private equity giant Apollo Global Management. Adam Aron was being urged by his advisors to file for bankruptcy. Finally, adding to pressure, AMC first lien creditors, a group led by Apollo where Aron once worked, were offering the company a tempting $1 billion loan to keep the company operating in bankruptcy. The pressure was so intense that Aron agreed to get the bankruptcy paperwork in order even as he pursued other plans. However, guys, let's not forget that Citadel acquired Yellow Debt owned by Apollo and other lenders. Let's not forget Apollo to Citadel. You guys let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. Let's do a quick Swift calculation. 10,474 cinema screens, 225 seats per screen, 90% screen occupancy, 4 showings per day, 4 times a week, 5 weeks Eras run, $20 a ticket, 43% AMC's take, which comes out to a whopping almost $2 billion, or the real calculation comes out to shorts are fucked. And not to mention, this is not including concession, merchandise, and other cinema payments. And who goes to the movies? You let me know in the comments down below. Who goes to the movies without grabbing a soda, or without grabbing a popcorn, or without grabbing candy or pizza or cinnamon bites, whatever it may be? On top of that, AMC's merch has been doing hot, their Visa card's doing hot, and this is just set aside to something else, okay? This is absolutely huge, a huge revenue stream for AMC, which of course begs the question, when is Adam Aaron going to drop dilution? We're going to talk about that a little bit later, but I want to show you this. It's 26 seconds, and it's these bastards talking about AMC once again. This is who we're listening to now. I mean, this is who we're listening to. At the end, they all say multi-year low. It's clear as day that they had a script. But before I show you this 25-second clip, just a quick reminder, guys, that you can get up to 16 free stocks by just using my link, downloading Moomoo, and making a deposit of even $1. And one of those stocks could be a Tesla or a Google stock. So make sure to press my link, download Moomoo, sign up, and make a deposit. It takes 2 minutes out of your day. Do it before the week starts. Also, guys, pop in the Discord. The link is right under the video as well with the Moomoo link. I'm in there on the daily. We talk stocks all day long. I post my trades as soon as I take them. So whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, everyone in Discord has the greatest vibes. They answer any questions, bounce things back and forth, and overall, just come make money with people who want to do the same thing as you, which is essentially trade the stock market. Let's roll the clip.
By the way, note how AMC didn't rally through the roof on this as it should have. And that's because they've been too busy jamming their investors and diluting them and doing reverse share splits. And, you know, the stock's gone from 44 to 12 in the last 3 weeks. How's that taste?
I think this is the rally.
Yeah.
Where it would have been without this, I don't know.
You know, we can't, there's not enough time to talk about what's going on there. So I won't.
Multi-year low.
Multi-year low.
Now, never forget when Citadel had conversations with Robinhood before the buy button on meme stocks was taken away. Ken Griffin lied under oath and nothing has ever been done about it. Billions, if not trillions, were stolen from retail investors during this event. Never forget, but also never let this happen. Never let this come true. Billions, if not trillions, were stolen from retail. This becomes true when we sell for a loss. Never let that become true. We know Citadel has billions of sold, not yet purchased securities, as well as Bank of America, as well as a bunch of huge entities out there. Do not let that come true. We know that the media is pushing that short sellers have made over $500 million on AMC on this sell-off. That is unrealized. Do not let that come true. Finally, before we start the week, I want to give you guys a solid reminder where we're at. 50 days on the threshold list, above 10% short interest, above 2 days to cover, above 75% utilization, and this is the on-balance volume on the stock. Let's say they're not manipulating this and people are actually selling their AMC. This would bring AMC's natural price right around $160, where it would actually be sitting, even though before it was much higher. This is just assuming that they're not manipulating the on-balance volume. And to start the week, Stock Tracker is reporting 3.3 million shares available to borrow at a most recent fee of 13% and not reporting the option data, which is absolutely odd. At least over here on Stock Tracker, it's not reporting the options chain. Short exempt volume decreased a bit, but they are just matching how the volume acts on AMC. And of course, if you guys didn't see my update video on AMC, get ready for what's to come because I think it's something big. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching or found value out of the video. Make sure to hit the like button on your way out, share the video, go get your free stocks using Moomoo, and pop in the Discord. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.